Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Mikey Will here. Make sure if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you guys already know. Yo, we are working on the inside of the van, finally. Ripping this thing apart, taking on, well, we ripped it apart before, but we had to rip it apart some more because there was some other Voltron that was just like, I don't know, there was just stuck between the grain and the stuff. We had to take out the subfloor, had to redo that, had to drill out all the little holes in for the other thing. For the
ready,
what's it called, rag.
What? These little shards. Yo, be careful that little lip don't like bust you in the head.
Yeah, but like I was saying before, yeah, we're gonna take out a bunch of stuff, and like this is just us really just taking off the stuff from the previous video of us ripping everything apart and stuff like that. But yeah, it's safe to say this van has come a long way.
Yeah, bail.
But yeah, that's Zip Tie Mechanics out here putting in that work. Make sure you guys throw him a subscribe, because he deserves everything, you know what I'm saying? Because he definitely helped me out doing this the right way instead of me kind of just doing it with any other kind of way. But yeah, help me take the time to really get it down to the skivvies. But yeah, bare bones, baby. Finally, it's time to really start putting in that work. Yeah, taking up the subfloor sucked. Like, you couldn't use no super powerful drill because you would like strip the bolt and next thing you know it's stuck and it's bad. It was bad.
Yeah.
But yeah, we started making some progress. We're gonna like use that same original subfloor, but then we saw it was kind of rotted, and then we were like, nah, let's go get some other stuff. You know what I'm saying? Let's go get some more plywood. You feel me? Cost me like $100 for all the stuff. Well, it was like $140 for all the stuff. Well, so we back. You know what I'm saying? We still ripping this joint up, but we're just gonna use that to trace this. You know what I'm saying? And from there, as you guys can see, we just yanking it up, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, they hit them with the pry bars. We were doing the most to get this thing up, but it had to go. And we weren't doing too bad. It was pretty white underneath. It wasn't like too rusted out and stuff like that. It's a really good sign. Because this is a 2006 van. If you guys don't know, it came with 234,000 miles. But after the engine swap, we are looking at pretty good timing right now, you know what I'm saying? We're about like 400 miles or so on the new engine with all new internals and stuff like that, other than like the transmission. Transmission looks like it's fairly new or been replaced recently, so that's like a great sign. Put a bunch of other stuff on the outside. You guys definitely need to check out the other video of what's going on with the more outside of the van. But right now we just busting it out. Here we go. Oh yeah, came with the blower, gang. Yo, that was the most clutch thing ever, because we were sitting there just trying to sweep it out and stuff like that, and like it was just taking forever. And he's like, hold on. That's the other dude, Tristan. He just helps out because he'd be bored. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, I guess for me, yeah, just knocked it out. Threw my battery in there and just was like, wow. Yeah, and it like not to mention it's like it's pretty cold, you know what I'm saying? It is pretty cold out there.
It's good.
Insulating the floor and stuff like that.
He's going left to right.
Because you gotta insulate the floor first. We start from the ground up.
Left. What?
Makes way easier, you know what I'm saying? Because just going from top down, I feel like you can miss something or just, I don't know. But we just use duct tape to tie it down. Not tie it down, but like keep it secure to all one piece.
Real out here, players. Oh, what, some random screws are back there?
Yeah, that one bolt, remember?
Oh yeah, we get into the new plywood, baby. Cooking up. It's cold outside. We're out here getting to it. Shout out to Zip Tie Mechanics one more time, man. Putting in that way. It is like 20 degrees outside. You guys hear that wind busting. It is busting. But yeah, we getting this van insulated one way or another. Getting a new subfloor in. You know what I'm saying? It's gotta be done one way or another. But man, these guys really made such a difference. Cause me doing this dolo, having to trace everything. I mean, it wouldn't take that much longer, but definitely be a little bit more of a process. But here we go, we're getting this thing in the van. See a little heater in the back, keeping us warm. Oh yeah. I'm in the way. Make sure it lines up with the. Don't mind the wires, y'all. These are all just like fitting wires. I'm gonna cut them and make them fit a little bit more better, more secure and stuff. Cause
Other way.
just cause like it don't look too good right now. Oh yeah, seamless fit. I mean, we had the tracing. We had the little stencil, so it was perfect.
Oh yeah.
Press it down. Alright, good, hold on. You just jig that.
Yep.
Gotta cut it up a little more, make sure it's a little neater, so it fits seamless around the edges, everything. Especially if someone else wants to take it out in the future, or if I take it in the future, I want to make sure it's as easy as possible. Oh yeah. Gotta move the OG tire iron because that's what came with the van.
You gotta take off that little lip at the end. I don't know, you see.
Huh?
Like you see how it's like hanging on that little metal lip?
You're good.
Oh yeah.
We'll just tuck this side in first. I just
Yeah.
want to make sure this fits. Look. Left up.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Come on, bro.
Yeah. Does it? He does
All you
it.
gotta do is
Before we put the actual panels up and stuff like that, then we're gonna frame out the walls, put the wall panel.
Alright, this is like a thin rough through of what it kind of looks like. Obviously it's not fully insulated, but it's almost there. It's really cold out here, and I'll give you a quick little update. Put new subfloor in, as you guys saw previously. Just some extra wood that we got some. I also put in this little DVD player, radio, and it's ball, y'all. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, do it all, y'all. Everything really helps. More content coming soon, y'all. It's really starting to come together. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Got more content coming soon, y'all. Peace.